shopped from Lookfantastic. I had my eyes on this brush set from over 1 year. This retails for £70, so I think it's around $90 in dollars currency. But I love those brushes so much, especially the one from this edition. So this is the ZOEVA Screen Queen Complete Eye Set, and I have their blending eye crease brush 228 that I bought separately, and I was bumped up that I bought only one, and after that I was not able to find it anywhere else. So first I've seen this was discounted 30% on Beauty Bay, and I put more stuff in cart on Beauty Bay, and I think my order was around £100. And when I went to the actual checkout, I've seen that Beauty Bay rudely introduced some shipping tax for any kind of order. So I've tried to add products on my cart. I make like £200. There was no way how to get rid of the shipping, and it was never specified that you can have some amount and the shipping will be free. So I said, okay, let's search where else I can find it. On Cult Beauty, I could not touch that website. During Black Friday, they had like, you know how it's now on the stores that they have limited places, so you have to wait on the queue to get in the physical store. It was the same with Cult Beauty, so I just went several times and I was like 2,000 something in the queue waiting. So I said, no way, I will not wait. And then I went to Lookfantastic, and I've seen they have these. It was also, I think it was 20% discount, but I also used my Quidco, which is a online cashback retailer, and I've got, so out of my order, which was a bit over £100, I got £10 off. We have this pretty little clutch. I think I have like 3 or 4 of these from ZOEVA, and this is a nice baby pink, and you look at this zipper, it's on the shape of a leaf, and this is really handy for your makeup or even for your brushes while you are traveling. Of course this is meant to be for your brushes, but look inside the actual pouch inside. It's from a satin kind of material, really pretty. So some of them have this protection that is really handy to use it when you are traveling. So I have a clutch full of these protections that I got from several brushes, not only from ZOEVA, because I find when I'm traveling, when I used to travel, the hair will kind of change, lose their form if you are keeping on the pouch or a cosmetic bag where you have also other makeup products. And guys, excuse me if I speak so low. This is because, of course, when I'm filming, my kids are sleeping. So my daughter, she has a very thin, light sleep. So from this reason, this is a brush that I don't have. This is the 239, and this is the Luxe Soft Shader. Okay, so I don't have this. And I love so much this baby pink. You might see it white on camera, but I can assure you that this is not white. So it's a light pink. My beloved 228. I can recognize this brush from 1,000 brushes. If you show me 1,000 blending brushes, I will tell you without seeing the number which one is ZOEVA 228. So this is how much I love this brush, but especially this one from this collection. This is 134 Luxe Powder Fusion. You can use this to touch up your places. You can use it for concealer, or if you want to touch up in particular places on your face. So love it. Yeah, this is also a brush that I don't have. This is the Concealer Blender 145. This is also a brush that I don't have it. Love this brush. It's so good to precisely apply shadow on the outer V. 225 Eye Blender. Yeah, so I have like 3 of these, I think 3 or 4 of these from different collections. Also love this 227. It's similar but a bit more fluffy with the Sigma E25. Before I'm gonna show you the last product that I purchased, I want to show you what Lookfantastic gave me with the purchase. First we have this nice pouch, and I also have a green one that they gave us on a beauty box earlier this year. And on here, I remember the value of this bag was around 17 pounds. So we have a really handy, generous size of the Aloe Choc hand gel. So this is a sanitizing gel, and you have 300 mils or 10.14 ounces. So it's really nice that they are giving us this type of product when we need it so much during those times. And there is a product that I always wanted to try. So this is by Elizabeth Arden, yeah, hyaluronic acid ceramide capsules. And we have here how many capsules? 7. So this is the actual treatment for a week. So you will just break and pull out the actual content. So I think you will have to cut this little part, and then you can squeeze the serum. We've also been given a Verso reviving eye mask, and also what, guys, the furniture around me is starting to. Then we have the Avant Shea Butter Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Vitamin B3 10 mils. Come on guys, this is really expensive. And the last product we got is the Vita Liberata Body Blur High Definition Body Makeup. So this is like a tinted body. Yeah, it's something that will give you a nice tint. Okay, it's quite dark, but it's easy to shear it out. So, and the last product that I purchased from Lookfantastic, and actually I wanted to show you this box on my December beauty box unboxing, but that box, we are on December 12th and I was not even being charged for my December beauty box. So Lookfantastic is way behind their queue, their orders. So either for this order they were taking like 10 days only to ship it, to dispatch it. The shipping was really fast because they are now coming from Poland, but the actual dispatching queue for the product is really long. This is the Lookfantastic Black Box Edition. It was specially released for the Black Friday. And it was available for some time. Now it's not available anymore. And inside we have 11 products. Some of them are really exciting and I wanted to try from a long time. We've got the Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in the shade black. Unfortunately, this is the felt tip version. I will just pull it out to show you the liner, but I'm not going to open it because I will either keep it for a giveaway or I will give it to a friend that doesn't mind a felt tip liner. For me, I prefer the one with the brush. I had the skinny version and the felt tip version, and the formula is amazing. If I could replace the actual brush, I know I cannot do that, but if I could replace, I will keep it for me. But yeah, but this is a full-size product. We got this tiny little lip gloss by the Lime Crime, 1.8 mils. Okay, it's a nice baby pink. It's really nice. I think you can either wear this alone. Then we have a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, which I suppose is a face cream. I probably believe it's sealed. No, it's not sealed. And I think Emily Fox, she raves about a First Aid Beauty cream that is really hydrating. I might be wrong to tell you if this is the cream, but it's really nice and doesn't have a scent. Maybe it has some, natural, or how to say, ingredient scent, but doesn't have any fragrance, I wanted to say. It feels really hydrating. What else we got? We got a Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum, 10 mils. And I have plenty of vitamin C serums to use, and this has to be on the top because Dr. Denise Gross has amazing products, so I might start to use it earlier. We have also by Mio a sleeping smoothie overnight serum, but it's for your body. A Nuxe Prodigieux Le Parfumé beautifying scented body lotion. Yeah, so because it's the French, it's on the top. I know that I have a very good French, but so 30 ml. This is probably a travel size. AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. So this intrigued me when I've seen, because you can tell the products from the box. They don't make it like a surprise. You can see on their website. Okay, you have 10 ml. Not sure if this is the full size, but it looks like a full size. You guys, this product, this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment. This is 30 ml and there's a travel size. I have one of these on the same size that I'm currently using it, and it's amazing. Previously, I think 2 years ago or so, I received another 30 ml and I've used it without knowing how to do it. Of course, I didn't read the instructions. I've used it as a mask for your hair while you're in the shower. And this is not the actual way how to use it. This is like a leave-in conditioner, leave-in mask styling treatment or so. And I misused a very precious quantity, but you don't need much. I maybe use my hair is coarse and it's really difficult to comb it and detangle it after I wash it. And with this styling product, it's amazing. So now I'm happy that I have a second one. So this is one of the products that made the box worth, as well as this Dr. brand microdermabrasion age-defying exfoliator. So I wanted this product from so long, and it looks like this is a full-size product. I'm not going to open it because this week I opened another exfoliator by Kate Somerville, so I need to finish that one, but luckily it's not that big, but I want to use it so badly. I want to try this product because I heard really good things about this microdermabrasion by Dr. brand. The next product is by Skin Iceland and is a Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. So one pair of eye gels. And the last product on the box that attracted me when I've seen it. First, let's notice the leopard print packaging. That is so cute. My throat is dry. I've spoken so much and I need to drink some water. So thanks God this is the final. Thanks God this is the last product because I need to drink something. So this is by Revolution Pro and is the new neutral blushed palette. It's covered with a plastic protection, which also has to be removed. But look at those shades. I'm really curious to see if they are so good as they are looking, because this looks similar like a Huda Beauty palette, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, there are some shades that are really appealing to me, and I see they have some pressed glitters. So this one and I think this one. But yeah, this palette made my box worth, together with the microdermabrasion and the Living Proof styling 5-in-1 styling treatment. But and of course the Dr. Denise Gross also, but I'm pleased for all the products that we got. So this box was retailing for £35, and if you are a subscriber you can take £5 off. But actually I did not use my subscriber special link because I do not get one. I think there is something wrong with my account, and I've tried to solve it with Lookfantastic, but I think I still need to send them some emails. This is everything I wanted to share with you. And now guys, I want to ask you, what do you think? What do you think about the product that I got today? Is it something that is exciting for you? Is it something that you are interested on me reviewing, make a special review video for them? And yeah, all your thoughts and opinions, please let them down below on my description box. And those being said, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Please subscribe if you are not already. Have a blessed, beautiful day ahead, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye you guys!